closer to the start of the brand new NBA season. One of, if not the biggest storylines going into the season is the legendary LeBron James realizing his personal dream of playing in the NBA with his son, Bronny James. LeBron used his clout and influence to get his 20-year-old son on the Lakers roster amid some pushback where people were saying Bronny is not ready for the NBA and LeBron had to pull strings and blah, blah, blah. I thought LeBron has been such a great legend and ambassador for the NBA that he earned the right to live that unique dream before he walks away from the game. But just looking at a few of the preseason games involving the Lakers, and it's terrible. Bronny is really not ready for the NBA. I don't think he's there technically. And just looking at his body language on the court, I don't think he's there psychologically. And when the season begins officially, he will be facing major scrutiny and coming under immense pressure, with the world looking at him, trying to legitimize himself as an NBA player. Bronny, I'm going to need some prayer.